Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to fix the wrinkled up leather on the airbag cover on this Ferrari F430.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, and this is our dealership, NG Supercars, and we just got in this Ferrari F430 Spider, which is going to be for sale as soon as we get it cleaned up. So there's a few things we want to do to it before it goes for sale, but if any of you guys are interested in making us an offer, send us an email, sales@ngsupercars.com, or you can check out the website, ngsupercars.com. Might be listed there, might not be. I don't know. It just depends how fast we can get this thing cleaned up. But it's got one of the very, very common Ferrari problems, which is the leather has kind of shrunk. It's all wrinkly. See that? Yeah, looks like crap. Oh yeah, I can feel it pulling off. That's great. The airbag cover is not too terribly difficult, so we're going to take it out and reattach it so it looks good. The rest of the leather on this car actually looks pretty good. You can see the dashboard, the vents are in proper place. Usually these things get popped up. When the leather here shrinks, it just pops them up. Dashboard over here, the binnacle looks really good. No pulling on the binnacle, so a lot of times you'll see it kind of pull back and you'll see white stuff there, but it looks pretty good there. Even the seat bolsters, they look like they're in pretty good shape. I mean, not really anything else of note as far as the leather goes. The rest of the car is in pretty good shape. I mean, it's a few scuffs here and there, but it's overall pretty good, clean car. Seems to drive okay, runs okay. So yeah, one of you guys will be happy with this thing once we get the airbag taken care of. So first thing we gotta do is remove the glove box. I believe, yeah, you can't open the glove box on the Spiders unless you turn the key on. All right, come on, open. Ta-da. So we have to unscrew the screws and disconnect this little thing. It's gonna be uncomfortable, but we'll get it done. All right, so I'm gonna get very uncomfortable for your pleasure. There are some Phillips screws down here on the bottom below the door. There's also some Phillips screws right here and right here. I think somewhere else. First ones, let's get these bottom ones off. And I'm using not gonna use a power tool because I don't want to strip any of these. I'll have to shut that and reopen it later. There we go. One, two, there's three. Of note, the middle one was shorter, so the two outside ones were longer. Gotta put back in the keys. Let me pop it. There. See, I can see this door is loose. Okay, I got this one up here. The latch is in the way of that one. I'm not gonna be able to pull it. Oh no! The screwdriver's too long. Let me get another one. Got my shorty. Oh yeah, there's one here and one up there. I see them. Okay, there. There, woo! Came out. Oh, don't want you to go away. Set it aside. There. Now, we got these Allens that hold in, I don't know if you guys can see that. See the Allens that hold in the airbag. So it's these four. Let's disconnect the battery in a moment. Yeah, let's do that now. Since we're gonna be playing with the airbag, don't need the airbag going off. All right, disconnected my battery. Now we don't have to worry about the airbag blowing up in my face and also setting off any airbag lights in the computers or anything. So that's good. All right, these are 5mm. Okay, oops. Now I believe we'll just push out. Yeah. There's a wire connected somewhere. Where are you? Oh, there it is. There. There you go. All right, so there's a little wire over here. Where is it?
It's over on the left side. You're probably going to need...
I think it just clips off, doesn't it? Oh, here. I got it. Yep. Just use your fingernails. Airbag. Josh has done this before. I haven't.
So basically you got the leather and then you have like a foam.
Yeah, the foam gets nasty.
So this one, what we want to do is just like take this apart
There's some glue still.
as gently as possible. So basically you want to peel this off as easy as you can, and then we're going to just re-glue it on there.
All right.
This one's going to be tricky.
Yeah, that foam is still attached. So you gotta probably come in and flick the foam off.
Use that scraper tool.
Yeah.
Ideally,
You want the foam to stay on the leather?
you want the foam to stay on the leather so you don't have to re-glue it. But it doesn't look like that's going to work.
It's not gonna happen.
We got like a half and half situation going on here. Might actually have to get a new piece of leather.
Leather? Is it leather rip?
Well, no, but if this is stuck to the leather and
You can scrape it off.
yeah, then we got to get a new piece of foam.
Well, I'd rather do foam than leather.
Yeah, this is not ideal.
Yeah.
So now you got to clean this.
Yeah.
You got to clean this. We got to glue a piece of foam on here, and then re-glue the leather on there.
Yay. Scrub it, scrub it.
You got to be gentle with it because you don't want to
Yeah.
mess up the leather.
At least this is plastic, so I feel like you have it a little bit more leeway, but that gotta be gentle.
Yeah.
Sorry for the background noise. It started raining really hard, but here's the leather piece. You can see, nice and clean. Still looks good. Now we're moving on to the airbag. Found that the a sharp plastic scraper seems to work pretty good. Just kind of really like get in there. Probably use like a solvent or something on the rest of this. Alright, YouTube. Airbag cover is cleaned up. Now we ordered some foam. I'll be here tomorrow, so I guess we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow, unfortunately. So, hang tight.
The next day.
All right, we have foam. Got us
We got our foam.
foam. So,
I'm gonna clean the crap out of this
using just very little rubbing alcohol.
because this foam actually has sticky on one side. So what we'll do is just clean this really good, stick it on here, and then we'll
Touch this, the leather.
yeah, we'll have to attach the leather with headliner adhesive.
Yeah.
But for this, we kind of just lay it down like this.
Is it wide enough? You can't do it the other way, can you? Dang, just barely too short.
That's okay.
Well, I would say start at the bottom, because then you could do
Oh, you
two.
can do two of them, sure. There you go. We could get some scissors.
Cool. Okay.
I'm gonna start in the middle because it's curved, so you don't get like a. Kind of do this. This doesn't need to be perfect because you're going to be wrapping the leather around it. You can get it pretty close. sure you got a sharp blade. This blade's not as sharp as it should be. Kind of chewed that up a little. It's okay because the leather's going to cover that. All right. Then the fun part. So then what we do is we get the leather adhesive, and we just glue that on there, and we're done.
Just that easy, right?
Just that easy. Here's what we're using. It's a 3M Super Trim Adhesive. Exceptional bond strength, heat and moisture resistant. Bonds heavyweight automotive materials, which is what we have here.
Not a sponsored product.
Not a sponsored product. You can get it on Amazon or from Walmart or whatever.
Surprisingly expensive.
I think it's like 20 bucks for this.
Yeah.
Works really good though. So what you want to do with this is when you spray it, it comes out kind of like a spider web.
Yep.
So you want to spray it on both surfaces, and you wait like a minute for it to get tacky, and then you can put it on there. This is going to be tricky because these wrap around the edges and
We have
stuff.
to get those edges.
So we got to get the edges without getting it on this part.
Ugh.
So we'll probably take this outside
Yeah.
and do it. You can clean the leather if you get it on there, but it kind of sucks to do.
Yeah.
So we want to make sure we're
The right direction.
it's like that.
That's annoying. There it goes.
Okay. Okay, and then we get this.
You gotta wait a minute.
Something like that. God, I hate doing this. It's so nasty.
Yeah. That stuff sticks to your fingers for the next 4 hours.
Yeah. Well, once this dries, then we can go back and touch it up.
Okay, just
Or-
to get the main stuff to dry first.
Yeah, you got to get the main part, just so there's no bubbles or anything in this leather.
So, good news, the top looks pretty clean.
See?
Way better.
We'll just let this dry, and then we'll go and touch up around the edges and clean it, and it'll be ready to go back in.
I like all the spider webs.
Yeah. Get rid of all that.
Just taking some glue there.
This is like the total gangster way to do this, but I'm sure the guys that do this for a living are probably laughing,
Oh, yeah.
but it works. This is just basically rubber cement in a can.
It's way more fun when it's in a can because then you get a little buzz when you use it. Ooh, you can't sell this in California.
Wow, shocker.
All right, YouTube, let's shove the airbag back in, put it all back together, and see how it looks. All right, YouTube, let's turn back on the battery. And we'll test out the glove box, make sure it still works. Okay. It doesn't pop?
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, key forward to... Yay!
There we go.
Look at that. So much better. Hooray! Well, there you have it, YouTube. Fixing the leather on the airbag cover. And look at, this is the more important thing, is now when you look at it from here, you don't see like exposed stuff and wrinkles and everything, so. Oh, she's mad about something. Definitely something you can do at home, not too bad. Pulling out the airbag and putting it back in is not a big deal. A couple screws, like, I think it's 7, somewhere around there, Phillips. You do need a shorty and a 5mm Allen, and that's it. And then you're gonna need that special glue. Probably a good idea to have some foam. We just ordered some on Amazon. Worked good. All right, this car will be for sale, so check out ngsupercars.com. Send us an email, sales@ngsupercars.com, if you're interested in making us an offer. But that's to do it for this video. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Go check out normalguysupercar.com. There you can buy parts and services from us. We do appreciate you guys' support. We'll see you in the next one. It's going to be sweet.